YouTube viewers, welcome back. Hey, it was a busy weekend, and a busy week prior to the weekend. Memorial Day is what I'm speaking about. I just didn't want to show a boat being done. I wanted to show a boat that had been done. This boat was compounded. I have not waxed it yet, but it was compounded, and what I'm showing is that the light reflection follows the lines of the boat. It's very important. If you've watched my videos and you've gotten to this point where you understand compounding, the next step is learning what to do with it. And so watch these lines. They follow the lines of the boat. There's a reason for it. If you learn how to do this, you're on your way to becoming a really, really good boat detailer. If you don't understand this, well, I teach a class in this stuff. Come on down. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching.